everybody, this is Madison here at the Mission Bend Branch Library, and today I'm going to show you through photos how to make your own Earth Day cookies. Here's what you'll be needing for today. You'll be needing 2 bowls, some parchment paper, a cookie pan sheet that I have off to the side, 1 egg, a bag of sugar cookie mix, 16 ounces of butter softened, and blue and green food color dye. Let's get started. So the instructions are on the back of the sugar cookie mix, so you'll follow it as so. You'll mix the sugar cookie mix, your 1 egg, and the softened butter into a bowl until the dough is very smooth. Then afterwards, you'll separate the dough into 2 separate bowls. You'll use the blue food dye in one bowl with the green dye in the other bowl and mix it until the color is completely through it. Then afterwards, you get your cookie pan sheet out with parchment paper on top of it, and with a spoon, you'll scoop 1 thing of the blue cookie dye onto the pan, and then with the green dye, you'll put it just a little bit on top of the blue as well. That way when the cookies are baking, and it'll give you the shape of Earth with the colors mixed in around it, kind of like a tie-dye look. And you'll have to have your oven preheated to 375 degrees, and once you do that, you can put the cookies in, no problem, and bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes. And this is what your cookies will look like once they are done baking. I hope you learned a lot today from the photos I did provide. I made these cookies myself last year and they were good, so these photos I have, obviously, I dig them up to show you how to make them. I hope you learned a lot today. What I would like you to do though is subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our Facebook page, and the QR code you see right here. Take your phone out, open the camera app, and scan the QR code, and it'll take you to our Facebook page directly, and there is many videos for you to watch and learn from. And I can't wait to see you all again very soon.